Hello. Meet David. He has been cleaning his phones with a hand sanitizer. Is it safe to do so? Okay, it's true that phones are also known as our third hand, but cleaning them with a hand sanitizer can be harmful. People around the world are locked up in their home due to the current COVID-19 pandemic. But we may have to go out of our safe zones to get essential things for our family, and at that time you are under high risk of being affected. Here an important question arises. Can the virus remain on my phone's surface for a long time? And the answer is yes. Studies indicate that the coronavirus can remain on a smooth surface like glass for up to 96 hours. Most of us or our parents may be using hand sanitizer on their phone. Of course, I am not saying don't use hand sanitizers. But the fact is that they can bring damage to the phone display and other internal hardwares. Some hand sanitizers have additional ingredients like perfumes that give it a scent other than alcohol gel. Those will likely leave a residue and can make your screen blurry, and they'll leave a scent on your phone. In older phones, it's possible that ethyl alcohol could dissolve the anti-glare coating on the phone screen. This typically applies to phones made more than 5 or so years ago. Most of us tend to keep up with modern technology more often than that, but it's good to be aware. Use isopropyl alcohol rather than a hand sanitizer. Modern phones are more resilient, or have built-in coatings in the glass, or have a coating that won't dissolve in alcohol. iPhones come with a fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating. Apple states on its cleaning advice page that coating can be diminished if you use abrasives or cleaning products on the screen. So now the question is, how can I clean my phone without damaging it? The best is your typical glass cleaner or alcohol wipe. These types of wipes use isopropyl alcohol, which is safer than ethyl alcohol and are great for disinfecting surfaces. If you had it charging, you don't want to keep it plugged in case you short something out. Turning it off makes it easier to clean without hitting buttons or interacting with the screen in a way you don't intend. If your phone is old enough that you can remove the battery, it might be worthwhile to do so here. If you want to sanitize it with hand sanitizer, make sure it's at least 60% alcohol, and try to find isopropyl alcohol instead of ethyl alcohol. Now the next question. How often should you clean your phone? It would be a good idea to clean your phone on a regular basis. So try to get the supplies once in 2 weeks so that you don't have to go out frequently. So that's all for this video. See you next time with a new topic. Stay home, stay safe. Crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.